Good afternoon, guys. This is Sunday the 15th, and this will literally be a quick video on how to repair corrupt files on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. It's basically three commands: type them in, hit enter after each one, let it run, um, then your PC will go away and basically fix itself if there's any corrupt files. So let's see on mine. I'm using the PowerShell. So if you open this up and run as administrator, click yes to open it up. You'll get the command prompt. The first command you want to type is DISM space / online space / clean up dash image space / check health, and after that hit enter. It will come back saying the operation has completed successfully, and or it will just go through a percentage bar to show you that it is doing something. So let it run, let it complete, and the PC will tell you when it's ready to go on to the next one. Once you get this back, you get the command line back here. All we're doing is typing in DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image / ScanHealth. We'll hit enter on that. Let the PC do its stuff. As you can see, it's going through its percentage bar there. This will take a little bit of time. Let the PC basically do its own thing. It will go away and scan things, files, check stuff on the OS. From this, it'll come back with another command line. Once you do get the command line, it's typing in or copying and paste. I'll put the three commands in the description below. Copy them in, run them one at a time, and that's pretty much it. It's from there. Obviously this is at 89%, so I think the next one is the longest one. So what we'll do is we'll stop the audio. I'll speed up the video, and then once it's completed, there we go. I will obviously start the audio again. So this is obviously the last one. So again, we'll type in, it's on this one, we'll type in DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / RestoreHealth as one word. Once you've got that in the command line, type enter. It'll go away and the deployment image servicing and management tool will run. Let it do its stuff basically. It goes through it quite quick. Sometimes it will take a while. Just again, let it do its stuff. It'll go away and repair the files. From that, it'll come back all okay, and that is how you do it. I normally run this about once every month, once every 2 months. I've got the commands obviously saved on a little notepad, but I do remember them now, so it's just a case of opening up when you've got a couple of minutes spare in your day. Open up the command prompt. I use PowerShell. Run them one at a time, let it do its stuff, and that is it. Your PC should have no corrupt files on it. That's it, guys. Simple as that. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and job done. Alright guys, thanks. Cheers now. Bye bye.